Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be painting these vintage chalkware plaques that I found at the St. Vincent de Paul. There isn't much to say about how I went about doing this. I just used some acrylic sealant. I guess it's kind of similar to Mr. Super Clear to spray paint them over and prep them for the acrylic that I mixed together. And I just went in and painted. Very straightforward. I hope you all enjoy today's video. Don't forget to like, share if you want to, and subscribe to my channel. Originally, I wanted this to be a shorter video, just gonna fast forward through the process of me painting, but I came to the realization that, even though I want to do YouTube as potentially a way to make extra money, I also want to do this to document my own journey and my own growth as I make more art, So I just wanted to watch the type of content that I know that I would like and just enjoy the process of everything. It's like I just feel like everything is about hustle, make money, all these other things, but it's hard to enjoy things. Like, I made this video and at some point I do like jump forward because just making content isn't really for me. I tend to just get straight into it, which is why I'm not a content creator in the first place. But I also do just enjoy watching things like this, like speed painting, watching people make things. So why not just record myself and do it? If people watch it, they'll watch it, and if not, that's okay too. Basically, what I'm trying to get at is I just want to enjoy making things. I don't want to be tied down to, oh man, I gotta get 1,000 views, or oh man, I gotta get like 1,000 subscribers. That would be wonderful to get. But at the same time, I just want to make things. I just want to enjoy making things, enjoy making content. I don't want it to be tied to numbers, and I feel like that's how it's always been. And when I didn't achieve that goal, I just got so hard on myself. I got in my head and I thought I wasn't good enough, and that's not the point of me making the videos that I make. I just want to make things that makes me happy. Here you see me painting in the gold detailing for this piece. This is actually the same gold that I used on my couch, helped to tie everything in, and I really love painting in gold detailing. You guys will probably see in some future videos whenever I'm painting something, I'm going to put gold in it, and it'll be a very similar gold to this, if not the same gold, because I really like this gold. I've been a fan of the powder blue, white, and gold aesthetic as of late, and here I am just adding in those blue flowers for a little pop of color around the frame, doing it on both pieces. At some point I did want to put the pink flowers on the woman, but I just decided to go ahead and continue with the blue, help tie everything in. It's so pretty. I really like how this piece turned out. Here are the finished pieces, you guys. I love the way this came out. I love this blue, gold, and white aesthetic so much. I just can't wait to style these, and I hope you all will stick around for that video as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!